Hey neighbor, it's Miss C and I'm back. and I got another box. It's another unboxing. Are you ready? This one for all my ladies, for all my men, for whoever likes hair, okay? If you like hair, you're going to love this haul, okay? This unboxing. This is, now y'all probably saying, dang Miss C, you really shopping, okay? I'm letting y'all know, I usually don't shop this much. I really don't. I'm trying to do this new, I can't even talk right. This YouTube thing is new for me. And most of the products y'all saw me buy was for production, for behind the scenes of the videos, so I can bring you the best quality videos, because I know when I watch YouTube, I don't know, I'm really open-minded, so if someone don't have the best picture or best quality, I'm not hating on a video. If it's a good video, I'm gonna watch it. But now that I'm on the other side of the camera, well, on the other side of the screen, shall I say, I want to be able to do the best I can at this present moment. So this is why it seemed like I might be doing a lot of shopping, but that's why my playlist is called Shop Till You Drop Hauls. Because I'm shopping, baby. I'm shopping, but this is just not frivolous shopping. This is investment shopping. I'm investing in myself, in my brand, in my company. And who better to invest in than yourself? So I'll give you that one for free. But this one is I bet y'all won't believe what it is. Take a guess. I said this for everybody who likes hair, so guess what it is? Have y'all figured it out yet? Okay. It is, oh, put your guesses down in the comments below. Let me know if we here. Put it down below. Don't be trying to put your answer down there after I open this box. That means you cheated. That means you was a cheater, okay? But this is a wigtypes.com haul. Yes, indeed. It's still wintertime here in Houston, Texas, baby. And it is cold. And my hair is natural. I haven't had a perm since I can't remember. I know it's been some years. So I like trying new things. I don't want to dye my hair. My hair is a virgin. Yes, it is. It's never been dyed. I did have like a perm, but I never dyed it. So, and I really don't want to. I really don't want to damage my hair. So, what I do when I want a new look and a new style, I put me on a wig. At the beginning of my my first couple of videos, that burgundy hair, yeah, that was a wig. I bet y'all didn't even know. Cause I was cute, honey. Yes, I was cute. And y'all didn't know damn bit of difference. But I got me a whole half a year of hairstyles in this box. In this box right here. Y'all don't hear me. A whole year's worth of hairstyle. In Houston, to get your hair done, a wash and a style used to be $25. Not no more. Unless you got the hookup somewhere I don't know about. So now these days, to get a wash and a style is anywhere from $50 and up. So $50, $60, $100 and some dollars, depending on where you go. If you go to these salons, you're gonna be paying a pretty penny. So what's the use of me paying $60 to almost $100 and some dollars for one hairstyle that's only gonna last on my hair for 2 weeks at the most, because my hair is so soft, so it don't hold a curl. So I have purchased 7 units. Whoop, whoop. And the majority of them was under $25. So like I said, this YouTube thing is new for me, so I will try to go back online and find the wigs so I can put the links in the description box. I will definitely do that for y'all, just in case y'all want to check them out. So this is unboxing, but I will be doing a review for each wig, okay? Okay, so the first one is Trudy. I don't know if this box is going to be in the way. Let me see how I'm going to do this. Hopefully y'all can see me. Okay, the first one is Trudy, and it's in a P1B 30. And this is a short hairdo. Okay, ain't that cute? That's gonna look cute on my little round fat face. What y'all know about that? That hairstyle right there is a good $50, $60 on its own. This is the next one. A shiny. This is a longer one. Lace front wig, and the color is 1B, because I try to keep it as natural as possible, but I like the little color now. Don't get it twisted. I'm finna show y'all how lit Miss C can get. Okay, that's the second one. Okay. Okay, this is a Diva Sis wig. Diva H Sister. Now, a lot of y'all have been rocking this on YouTube for the longest. It's an older wig because it been out a while, but I wanted to get it because it looked so beautiful on so many of you that did a review on this wig, so I had to get it. I got it in 1B to try it out first, and once I try it and see how it what I want to say fits to my face, or y'all know what I'm trying to say. I can't remember what I want to say. I hate when that happens. But how it fits my face, how it looks around my face. I'll go back and get the copper one. That's the one I wanted as well, but I went ahead and got the 1B.